driving. I need to take deep breaths. How people do that?
Like we are. What is it? Line.
Just keep going. It's fine. I think it's. I see something. I mean, I see the road. Oh my god. I just don't want us to miss any like important signs. Something like a road ends.
True, or like huge bears.
I mean, I'm less afraid of bears than the road end sign.
True.
Yeah, just keep going. You're good on my side. It's like slide turn right.
We're definitely going down now, right?
I don't know.
I mean, it feels like it.
We're full on GPS, right?
Yeah.
When I started, I was on the Venice Boardwalk, and I was looking for blanks,
Yeah.
and I couldn't really find anything in the market that was 100% organic and 100% made in LA. There was a couple options from American Apparel and alternative apparel, but the idea here was to do like a full company, with that concept. And I also wanted to get into non-toxic dyes. So that was the other thing, and no one was really doing that as well. So I wanted to kind of explore and see if it could be done,
So you basically decided to make it for yourself and
Yeah.
share it with the world.
Pretty much,
I
yeah.
feel like that's how the best companies are being made. It's like your
Yeah.
baby, your passion.
Exactly. And
Going all the way up in the lift. We do all those fun things. So I didn't go on a slide. I got really scared. There's nothing to be scared about, but I don't know. I just didn't go. So I'm taking the lift back. Yeah, that's kind of funny. And staying in beautiful forest, in a cabins, going on hikes, and I haven't been vlogging a lot just because it's total nature connection and connection with people. So, but it's incredible in here, and I'll try to vlog some birds and some little creatures. Good morning from the Big Bear Lake and mountains. It's incredible in here. Super high elevation, about 6 feet altitude, and you can feel it, like you feel less oxygen, but it's also amazing how your body can adjust to it. I don't know. This is an amazing sculpture. Post-impressionism, unknown answer. Artist.